Hey guys, let's make this simple pumpkin rice recipe. So the first thing you're going to do is slice up your pumpkins. I'm going to slice up mine into some cubes, and also I'm going to shred some so that it can mix with the rice. After that, I'm going to go ahead and add the pumpkin into the pot. After it starts boiling, I'm going to go ahead and add some scallion and thyme, a ripe hot scotch bonnet pepper, and also some coconut milk. After everything comes to a boil again, I'm going to add some all-purpose seasonings, some black pepper, and also some salt to taste. Then I'm going to add a piece of butter as well. After this, you can go in with your rice. I'm using 2 pounds of rice, and I'm just going to allow the rice to steam down on low heat for about 20 minutes, and after that then you have some delicious pumpkin rice. So this is a very easy recipe to make. You can go ahead and try it. It was very delicious. Thank you for watching this video, and do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.